welcome to Monday's lessons. Today we're going to split up our videos and our activities for English and Maths. With English, there'll be one writing check-in. That check-in is just to show the teachers what you can do. And with the check-in, it's kind of like when we ask you to do things on your own at school, where we want to see your amazing learning that you've had so far and how we can help you further. Once you've done the check-in, you'll have your regular activities as well. The writing check-in is going to be stretched out throughout the week. You'll notice that it's very similar. We're using the exact same information every day, but you'll just have a different sentence to write. Let's get started and you'll understand what I mean in a second. Today, you are going to be looking at penguins. It's going to be an informative text, so you will write information sentences all about the penguin. Your first task today is to label the penguin. We've got the 5 topic words here. So you have beak, eyes, feathers, webbed feet, and flippers. You'll either type them into your doc, or you can just create your own picture on a piece of paper and label it with these words. It is up to you. After you've labeled, now it looks like a lot, but unfortunately you do have to have a lot of understanding to write these great sentences. For this part, you might need an adult to help you read this. I will read it now, so if needed, you can watch my video where I'm reading it for you, and then you can pause it, watch it again, and the next slide also has a video to give you more information. Let's get started. So point 1, and I'll do a little tick here to show you which one I'm talking about. Penguins are a type of bird, but just like the ostrich, they cannot fly. Penguins, so let's start the next fact. Penguins have black and white feathers and walk with a funny waddle like this. Penguins, fact 3. Penguins have waterproof feathers and lots of fat under their skin called blubber. This helps them keep dry when they swim in water and stay warm in those freezing waters and freezing locations, because some of them do live in Antarctica. Penguins live in the southern hemisphere. That's the bottom half of Earth. Now those should have capital letters. They live in warm places and freezing places like Antarctica. Penguins eat fish and small water creatures. Penguins lay eggs and their babies are called chicks. So that's a lot of information. We're going to now watch a little video. So if you look at the next slide, here's the video. You can click on this link, watch it, get more information. You really need to remember it. If you can't remember the information, pause this video, go back and watch them again to remember. Now it's your task. Today you are going to write a sentence or sentences telling me, what is a penguin? So is it a mammal? Is it a, what else is there? Is it a, well, I'm having a mind blank. But basically, what is a penguin? Your sentence will tell me that. I'm trying to tell you this part without giving you the answers but basically it's in the information we've given you. All you have to do is remember it. Remember that it's not a cold-blooded creature. It's not a lizard. It's not things like that. Just really, what is a penguin? Now I'm going to stop talking about it before I confuse you. After you've written your sentence, you can post it in your Google Doc. Remember, for this sentence, I'd really love it if you don't get as much help from an adult, because it's a showcase. It's kind of like a big beautiful little sentence that shows me everything you can do on your own, and that way we can support you further, as well as really be proud of all your efforts. Now, after you've done the writing, so you can pause me now, go do your writing check-in, or you can keep watching and we'll move on to the next task, which is Whooshka. So your Whooshka task. This week, you have Being a Scientist. It's an informative book. So lots of information here about being a scientist and what do scientists do. You'll click on Leveled Library, find the Being a Scientist book. And today I would like you to just listen to the book. You might listen to it once or twice. For spelling, here are your spelling words. We have just, there, not. So this there is when someone owns something. Like that is their puppy, not mine. Or that is their lead pencil. Here is the word when. We have it and to. So this to, I'm not sure if we did this already, but it's the to like, I like apples too. I have a feeling we've done that, but that's okay. We can keep practicing. Today, it's all about writing your words in your neatest handwriting. So with a lead pencil, you can type it, I guess, but if you'd like to use paper, that's fine. Those are our activities for English today. If you need more instructions or you need more help, ask Mrs. DeBay or Mrs. Townsend in the Google Classroom and we can help you there. Other than that, have lots of fun. We look forward to seeing your work. Bye everyone.